Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to Final Trade. So over the summer we made our eggnog. We let it mellow in the fridge for about 6 months and it is delicious now. All those harsh alcohol flavors have mellowed out and it's just absolutely a treat. Today we're going to make something to go with it, which is hot buttered rum. Now the way hot buttered rum works is you mix up a batter, and then when you want to make a drink, you go to your fridge, you get a scoop of the batter, you put it in a cup with some rum, with some cream, with some hot water, you mix it around, you have a hot alcoholic drink for the winter time. So I'm going to make a double batch here right now with 2 sticks of butter. I will have all of the ingredient measurements down below in the descriptions for the video. Now, I already put in vanilla extract. That's this little puddle in here because I'll be damned if I try to measure liquids on camera. So I've got 2 sticks of butter. I've got the vanilla extract. You've got some very tightly packed brown sugar, which is the way you have to do it to measure it properly because of the way it sits in the bag. So let's get all of that in here. And then I have the spice mixture, which in the basic recipe is cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cardamom, cloves, and salt. And of course, you can add whatever kind of warm holiday spices you like. You know, allspice, star anise, nutmeg, ginger, cumin, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, saffron, orange peel, mint, cocoa, whatever you're into, you can add. So those are the basic ingredients for the batter. Now you cream these all together. Your butter needs to be at room temperature for this to work, and I'm probably just going to speed up the video here. Okay, and once it's all creamed together real well, then you can take it and just transfer it to a bowl. You don't have to pack it particularly tightly or anything like that. Just get it all put away in a bowl that you can store in your fridge, and then we'll start making drinks. And last, to actually mix up the drink, you're going to take some boiling water. And look, you really don't want to skimp here. You need actual boiling water because you've got to take a tablespoon of this that's been chilled in your fridge. And the water has to be able to do the phase change on the butter. It has to dissolve the sugar, which is an endothermic reaction. And then you still want to have a warm drink when you're done with that. So you want to put boiling water in your cup and you want to mix the batter in with it until everything is melted and dissolved. And ethanol evaporates at 173 degrees. Water boils at 212 degrees. So if you dump your rum right into your water, you're going to cool off the drink and you're going to boil off some of your ethanol. So I'm very particular about this part. I want to get the butter melted. I want to get the sugar dissolved. And then I want to put the cream in. That will cool the drink off a little more because it's typically cold cream. And then last, I put in the 3 tablespoons of rum. And if you need to top it up with a little more water to make the consistency or how strong it is to your liking, you can do that. You can put a little bit of extra garnish on there if you want some fresh nutmeg or some cinnamon, something along those lines. I prefer not to. If there's anything I want in the drink, I put it in the batter so I don't have to think about it when I'm mixing 2 or 3 or 4 of these in a night. So there it is. Drink it and have fun. Merry Christmas, everyone.